Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The buzz around Progressive Field on game day is an electric force that transforms the entire southern edge of downtown Cleveland. You don't even have to step inside the gates to feel the surge of energy. It radiates through the brick alleys of Gateway District and spills out onto Ontario Street. This is where the land truly comes alive, as a sea of navy, red and white flows through the city centre. The air is thick with the scent of ballpark mustard and grilled onions, and the rhythmic chants of Let's Go Guardians, echoing off the surrounding parking decks and historic facades, creating a symphony of civic pride that is uniquely Cleveland. Walking close to the park, you're immersed in the ritual that has defined the 216 for generations. The atmosphere is a perfect blend of blue-collar grit and pure celebration. You see families decked out in vintage gear, groups of friends spilling out of the packed bars on Huron Road, and street performers adding to the frantic, joyful soundtrack to the march towards the bleachers. The architecture of the field itself, with its iconic toothbrush-style lights peering over the city, serves as a modern coliseum that anchors the neighborhood's identity. Even from the sidewalk, the roar of the crowd after a big play is a physical sensation, a collective heartbeat that syncs up every person within a 3-block radius. The game day experience is as much about the community as it is about the score. It's a moment where the barriers of the city falls away, and everyone from the corporate executive to the lifelong East Side diehard is united by the same hope. The plaza areas around the stadium become a grand stage for Cleveland character, where the city's rugged resilience turns into high-octane party. You can feel the history of the sport in the pavement, but the energy is entirely focused on the now. Standing in the shadow of the stadium, watching the crowd surge towards the gates, you realize that Progressive Field is more than just a sports venue. It's the entire engine of the district's spirit. It turns a standard afternoon into an event, and a simple walk down the street into a memory. Whether it's a playoff intensity night or a sunny Sunday afternoon, the buzz near the park is the definitive sound of the city that loves its team and loves itself even more. This is the 216 at its most passionate, unmistakable, loud, and ready for the win.
I gotta believe today.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.